Asikuvusele mbukeli wetindzaba kulendzambama nalamuhla sikwetfulela tona qathatha eAuckland Park emkhulukhaya we-SABC lishonile. Asibonge ukuthi ukhethe thine nati lethamba embili.
He says has been approached by Sibiya, General Sibiya, to write an affidavit against Khumalo.
Lobeka indvuna yelitiko letemaphoyisa Bhekicele ukhulume kabanti ngenkohlakalo lekhungethe lelitiko.
We want to dispel the myth that we have spent 777 million rand.
Sodolobha wetshwane Dokotela Nasiphi Moya utichithile tinsolo letithi lelidolobha lisebenzise imali lengetulu kwa 777 million wemarandi emalolini lathwala emanti kuletinyanga letiyimfica letengcile.
I think South Africa can become a very good football country in this continent, for sure.
Umqeqeshi weBafana Bafana Hugo Broos uvete tinhlelo telicembu lesive lelitawudlala i-Africa Cup of Nations kule Morocco lonyaka. Lobeka indvuna yemaphoyisa ngaphambilini Bhekicele wende tetfulo letishacisako ngembi kwelikomidi lephalamende lesikhashana lapho avete khona tinsolo letisha letimbandzakanya tikhulu lelisetulu temaphoyisa.
Ekuveleni kwakhe kokuqala embi kwekomiti yesikhashana ephalamende Bhekicele lokwaba indvuna yelitiko temaphoyisa ubutwe kuthiwa Martin Brown Mkhotsi walandvula waseke ubutwa ngaKhet Matlala wavumela etulu.
You know Khet Matlala
very well.
Elkomiti lifuna kwati kabanti ngekwatana kwabo kakhulu kati ukuthi bahlangana njani.
I met Khet Matlala in December last year.
2024.
2024. That's a
before the directive.
That's the first time I met Khet Matlala. It was after the raid, because that's one thing that brought him to me.
Ligama la Jenene Shadrack Sibiya livelile nalomuhla nakethula ubufakazi bakhe Cele lapho khona athi Matlala wamtshela ukuthi wakhulunyiswa nguSibiya ngekuthi abhale incwadi lefungelwe lefaka Jenene Dumsani Khumalo esentweni sebugebengu ukwenzela ukuthi aboshwe Khumalo kulenzela kufika kuliphiko lamaphoyisa kakhe Matlala tophenya.
He comes to me because he realizes that he has been abused. After that, he says he has been approached by Sibiya, General Sibiya, to write an affidavit against Khumalo so that Khumalo can be arrested. So this cat tells me...
Which Khumalo? You know quite a few Khumalos.
No, this one, the head of the CI.
Yeah.
The head of the CI, the leader of the PKTT. Yeah.
Asesibuke lokwendeka nyalo ephalamende.
So, deal with that. What I would argue is that they can go then and report that we had operation here, because it's a fact. We have a lot of local police having a problem in working with wrongful people in that particular area. But the answer is no. There is no breaking law on that one. But follow procedures, report.
Okay. Now let's go to Beverly Hills. You meet Mr. Matlala for the first time, which is after you are no longer the Minister of Police then. He requests you to help him mitigate what he says it's the infighting of SAPS generals that want to use him and drag him in between. But was it not your concern that you are also being dragged to it to mitigate a possible tension or conflict which arises from whatever it is within officials of SAPS, particularly given a background of allegations of you attempting to lead?
Well, it is a concern that I'm drawn in. But more of my concern and what will really have made me feel bad all the time, should anything bad happen to Khumalo, when I knew that it could happen and it could be helped. So that was my main take here, that Khumalo could not have been allowed to go to the doctrine.
Okay. The evidence received by ATO committee suggests that before December 2024, the minister would have indicated that he would have indicated the intentions of terminating Mr. Matlala's contract with SAPS.
Likhomishana lamadlanga lilalele ukuthi Lucky Mlife longumshana walosolwa ngekuba lilunga lelibandla lemshosha phansi Katiso Mlife solo ugcwele tiganga. Baphenyi labathunywe ukuthi baphenye ngekubulawa kwa-Armand Swart lowadutshulwa wabulawa ngemvula yetinhlavu letingamashumi-23 ngenyanga yamabasa nga-2024 bafakaza ukuthi bebahlose kubopha Lucky Mlife langalinye lababopha ngalo malume wakhe Katiso, kepha-ke behluleka ngobe Lucky bekasavele acele empunzini.
Fakazilo watiwa ngapi lobuya kutebunhloli uvete tinsolo tekusebenzisana emkhatsini welephoyisa lamasipala omkhulu waseJozi netigebengu. Fakazi P umatanise Johannes Mohahle nalosola ngebugebengu Katiso Molefe. Ngesikhathi kuphikithwa kaMolefe kusola ukuthi Mohahle waveta tinombolo tekubhaliswa kwetimoto temaphoyisa lebetikile likhaya wase utshela Molefe ngato.
Better explain that he knows Mlife because he used to register cars for him. That's how, he minimized it, because for me, I wouldn't look like I know somebody, I register cars, and then in my capacity now driving a state car, I go into pretend to be doing official duties while I'm doing this on my personal level.
Fakazi P uphinze wathi lakhe Molefe bekafihlelwe bemthetho ngabomu. Molefe bekasebenzisa Transnet kanti usolwa ngekubhala imibiko lengasiyo yetimali lokwaholela ekutheni kunikwe ithende ya 1.2 million rand inkampani ye-SK Group. Ungumshana wenjinga yamathenda lebekwelicala lekubulala. Lucky Molefe solo ugcwele tiganga kusula ngengongoni nyakenye ngemva kokuthi amaphoyisa ahlule kumthola ekhaya lakhe.
We learned that he was been hidden. He was been hidden. There was a deliberate intention for us not to find him. At some point, we got hold of the vehicle that he was driving, and he was supposed to meet with his friend somewhere in Soweto. We proceeded there, but unfortunately, the members of the family, they actively informed him not to go anywhere near that car any longer.
Uyaqhubeka nekuveta tambulo etimangalisako lofakazi lapho ubufakazi lobutholakala etikhalini bumatanisa Katiso Molefe navusi muzi mahlala ekubulaweni kwabosati wako bantu labathengiwe esifundzeni sase-Gauteng. Ngekusho kwafakazi P laba lababili bathinzeka emacaleni lamanyende kubulala lokufaka ekhathi kubulawa kwa-Armand Swart eFerianageng DJ Sambodi kanye nobonogadza bakhe lababili. Ukulithamukwena kanye naSandile Miyeza. Nobunye bufakazi buphinze buyamanisa ekubulaweni kwa DJ Hector Vintos Buthelezi kanye nasomabhizinisi Don Tindleni eSoweto.
All these victims were brutally killed. Those who knows how brutally Swart was killed, these ones are actually modus operandi exactly the same.
Uma sihlanganisa lo mbiko lelikhomishana belisachibana nemsebenzi lokuphinzela itafakazi P ngemibuto.
I-African National Congress eMpumalanga itibophelele ekuvuseleleni emagatsha ayo njengobe kutala ukhetho lwabohulumende basemakhaya. Leli qembu belikhuluma nebetindzaba embombela kubukisisa tinqumo letithethwe emhlanganweni wemkhandlu wesifundza evikini lelengcile. Mapalane waleli qembu kulesifundza Muzi Chirwa uthi-ke basakhathatekile ngekwehla kwemavoti elukhethweni lolwengcile lapho i-ANC iyasuka ku-70 wemaphesenti yehlela ku-51 wemaphesenti.
I-ANC iyachubeka nekubuka kusebenta kwayo esifundzeni seMpumalanga. Leli qembu lihlose ukuthi ivuselela liphinze litakhe kabusha kude litokhona kuthola emavoti futhi. Kanti liphinze lacela tithunywa talo ukuthi tithuthukise kwethula kwetidzingo nqandi. Letinye tingcinamba lekukhulunywe ngato inkhohlakalo nebugebengu.
The PGC agreed that the ANC foundational course will be rolled out throughout the province in all the branches and ensure that at the end of the day we achieve the renewed ANC and all members of the ANC do understand and live by the values of the African National Congress.
Kuxwayiswa nemakhansela langahambeli imimango yawo.
The players of the ANC both at the provincial government and the local municipalities were made to be committed to make sure that we improve our consultation and engagement with our communities. Therefore, all councillors, it was resolved that they must convene monthly committee meetings in all the 400 wards of the province.
Leli qembu lithi tonke tinkomfa tetigotsi lebetikhona tihambe kahle. Nyalo ke selibuke inkomfa elikhetfwe yesifundza.
IDA eGauteng ithi itawufaka sishukumiso sekungamethembi indvunankulu Panyaza Lesufi ngemva kwekusungula lithimba lelilwisana nebugebengu lelivumenge amapanyaza. Lokhu ke kuta ngemva kwekuthi umvikeli wemphakathi atfole ukuthi bekungekho emthethweni kusungulwa kwaleli thimba. IDA ithi itawukhulumisana naletinye tinhlangano letingaphasi kwesishaya mthetho ukuthi tiyeseke kulesishukumiso. Kusenjalo lobeka indvuna yelitiko letemaphoyisa bhekicele iphawulile ngaleli thimba ngesikhathi yetfula bufakazi ngembi kwelikomiti lePhalamende leliphenya ngenkohlakalo emaphoyiseni. Sikubutile mbukeli ukuthi ingabe tikhulu takuleli tinendzaba yini nemthetho uma ngabe emapanyaza aqhubeka nekusukunyiswa asebende nanobeke abeshito jene nemkhwanazi ukuthi kucala kwawo kusebenta akukho emthethweni. Umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Ngicabanga ukuthi msakati bantu labahlukunyetwe ngile team Panyaza kumele ukuthi mhlambe bavule emaqala bawavulele uhulumende kanti lenye into lokho singayibuka kufuna kuseshwa kahle kahle ukuthi ngibani kahle kahle lwasungula le team.
Angibelele msakazi le yamapanyaza hayi angekho emthethweni lonto efuna ukusunyelwa beboshwe even naye lo owasungulile amapanyaza njengoba engekho emthethweni.
Ezinye zazikhulu sibukeka singawuhlonipha umthetho. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhla umthetho wathathele inyathelo bayofunda ukuhlonipha kwezwe ngoyedwa nje sibonelo bayobona nabanye ukuthi umthetho uyadinga ukuhlonishwa.
Uhulumende makhe ukhalisela abantu ngomsebenzi. Uhulumende makaqeshe ulutsha eSouth Africa. Bawudinga kakhulu umsebenzi wabantu abaqeshe permanent.
Khonishwana la eSouth Africa khona manje bayabona ukuthi kusanamaphenyo enziwa kodwa kuthathwa abantu kuthiwa abayojoyina manje babe amaphoyisa omgwaqo. Kanti kwenzekani leSouth Africa kunabantu abangaka abahleli?
Impela izikhulu zahulumeni ziyazenzela. Uyabona impela izikhulu zahulumeni zibona sengazi ukuthi ne-constitution nje ebhekene nazo zodwa, ne-constitution nomthetho nje wazo zodwa ziyazenzela. Abanye bayafuna ukuthi beboshwe bajikisa amaphoyisa.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli. iSABC ete yetfestwa ukuthi phendvulela ngawo. Sodolobha wetshwane Dr. Nasiphi Moya utichithile tinsolo letithi leli dolobha lisebenzise imali lengetulu kwa 777 million wemarandi emalolini lathwala emandi kuletinyanga letimfica letengcile. Lokhu kulandzela kupuchuka kwembiko we-DA losola lohulumende lobusa ngekubambisana loholwa nguMoya ngekusebenzisa imali lengetulu kwesabelo mali sa 457 million wemarandi. Axoxa nebetindzaba lamuhla ekuseni utheke lesabelo mali lesi asikagcile tindlekweni letacwaningwa kuphela. Kepha-ke sifaka ekhatsi tonke tindleko naletingazange tikhokhelwe ngesikhathi sebaphathi bangaphambilini.
Sodolobha Moya nemkhandlu wakhe betama ngako konke kwesula letinsolo letingundzaba mlonyeni. Moya uthi lo mbiko awusilo liciniso njengobe athi yena watfola kunetikweleti lebetingakakhokhelwa ngaphambilini.
We want to dispel the myth that we have spent 777 million rand. The 777 million rand, it's a screenshot that was taken from our SAP system, but it's a total value of purchase orders.
Kanti-ke sikhulu samasipala weTshwane Johan Midla sithi imbangela lokusetshenziswa kwemali lenyendi takhiwo ncandi letigugile kuphathanyiswa kwekutfuthwa kwemandi ngebunyendi nekuwehlululwa kwempahla ye-Rand Water.
Time-wise, in July of 24, there were the Rand Water outages. In November and December of 24, planned outages on Heights reservoirs. In the following year, in May of 25, there was the Hartebeeshoek shutdown.
Lisekela la sodolobha weTshwane lithi kude lokublo kwentekako nanobe kusebende imali lenyende emalolini lathwala imandi.
We are communicating with the national CSD just to establish that this company is valid, is functional, and doesn't have any litigations.
Moya ukugcizelele ukuthi leli dolobha lenta ngako konke lokusemandleni alo kungathembele emalolini lalayisha imandi bakholelwa ekutithengeleni abo bangumasipala.
Kuletinye uMasibiya ititolo Bafunzi bamatikuletsheni bagqugquzelwe ukuthi bahlale bathembekile njengoba baqhubeka nokubhala uhlolo lekuphela kweminyaka lwamatikuletsheni lwa-2025.
I-SABC nguyona itawusakata ngalokusemthethweni i-G20 SA 2025.
Wamukelekile esigabeni sethu sesibili nawusanza ngena ukhethe kahle hlala nathi. Bafunzi bamatikuletsheni bagqugquzelwe ukuthi bahlale bathembekile njengoba baqhubeka nokubhala uhlolo lokuphela kweminyaka lwamatikuletsheni lwa-2025. Litiko letemfundo eGauteng belivakashele isikolo semabanga lasetulu i-4th eDobsonville Soweto lamuhla ekuseni. Lokhu kuqinisekisa ukuthi ke lolu hlolo loluqale ngalwesibili luhamba ngaphandle kwetihibe.
Bafunzi bamatikuletsheni labangu-260 besikolo semabanga lasetulu i-4th eSoweto bayingcenye yebafunzi labe babhala liphepha lesingisi lamuhla velonke. Labafunzi bebahlolwa ngeskena ngaphambi kwekuthi bangene eholeni lekubhala. Nadine Port losikhulu setelihlolo eGauteng uthi lokuhlolwa kungiletinye izindlela tekuqinisekisa ukuthi kunekuthembeka nakubhalwa.
That is how strict and how secure we attempt to keep the exam environment. An additional measure that we've implemented this is our third year running, is the use of a super scanner to help us to detect those devices before a candidate comes into the exam room. What candidates don't understand is that there are unintended consequences even if you rush in late and you forget a digital device on your person in a pocket.
Litiko letemfundo eMpumalanga lithi kusete tihibe letibe khona enhlolweni lokuphela kweminyaka lwamatikuletsheni. Lokhu kulandzela imibhikisho engalethwa kwetidzingo nqandi enkomazi.
Siyacela ke nje kubazali bethu kumphakathi yonke ukuthi nisupporte esibhala le examination, isupport esiyicelayo ukuthi noma ngabe kunenkinga yamanzi kumphakathi sicela ukuthi umphakathi ezukhuluma nomkhandlu kodwa kungahlukumezeki abantwana ekubhaleni kwabo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sisonke kuyisifiso sethu ukuthi abantwana le 12 years abayispendile esikolweni akungabi ukuthi namuhla kuba yithi singabazali kuba yithi siyimphakathi esizodisturba ukuthi ukuhlolwa kwabo kuphazamiseke.
Lolu hlolo lutawuphela mhla tinge-27 enyangeni letakwetfasa.
Umphathi welibhange ngodla lesijahanyaho wende lubito lwekuthi kutfutfukiswe luhlelo lwekhokha emayekeni akulengabazi ye-Afrika. Khanyaho bekathula inkulumo yekusonga inkomfa legcile ekutfutfukiseni luhlelo lwekhokha emayekeni. Lokhu kuyingcenye yokulungiselela ingqungquthela ye-G20.
Umphathi welibhange ngodla lesijahanyaho uvula umhlangano lebothamele ngilabashaya umthetho nakude itimalini nalabaniketa ngelisito kulomkhakha. Lo mhlangano uhlose ukuthuthukisa lihlelo lekukhokha kulengabazi.
The world is moving, excuse the cliché, the world is moving fast in the area of fast payments. And Africa might be left behind unless we catch up with that.
Leli bhange lithi kule minyaka lelishumi nakuthathu imali lebalelwa ku-8 trillion emarandi isabalilisiwe kulamanye emave ngokusebenzisa lihlelo le-South African Development Community. Ishmael uphinze wakhala ngetinhlelo letingakathuthuki letenta kube madima kukhokha imali emayekeni. Uthi asikho isikhathi sokuhudvula tinyawo njengalokhu leli linze isinqumo sekukhishwa ngaphansi kwavobe kuleli viki lelisetulu kanti lokusho ukuthi kufuthi kube nekucophelela lokusetulu.
Umqeqeshi webafana bafana Hugo Broos uvete inhlelo telicembu lesive lelitawudlala i-Africa Cup of Nations kule Morocco lonyaka ngengongoni iphele ngabhimbidvwane kulomnyaka lotako. Lo mqeqeshi uphinze wavakalisa emavikini lengcile ekutheni ke nakuphela inkontileka yakhe utawuphinzela ekhaya kule Belgium kanti le nkontileka iphela ngemuva kwemqhudelwano wendebe yemhlaba yanga 2026.
Ulandzela kufinyelela emqhudelwaneni wendebe yemhlaba yanga-2026, Broos uthi kamuva umatasa ngetinhlelo te-AFCON letawudlala lo nyaka kanti uthi ufuna kufinyelela esigabeni sema-semifinal.
We start the 8th with the preparation, 8th of December. So we go to Tax here in Pretoria. We stay there till I think the 17th because we have to be there 5 days before our first game in Morocco. So the day before we leave, we play a friendly game. We are looking against who we play. And then we play the 22nd, 26th and 29th, and let's hope also next year.
Kusenjalo Pro-Shooter utawuthatha inzambu kuye kufuthi aqhubeke lapho agcine khona.
So you have the basic now. Just go on and build up the thing. And then again, I think South Africa can become a very good football country in this continent, for sure.
Pro-Shooter wavakalisa ukuthi Helmeni Mkhalele nguyena ongathatha tinzambu kuye aqhubeka naleli qembu lesive nakuphela inkonileka yakhe njengoba bebasebenzisana bobabili.
Kunasibusiso Mahlalela kulethamba embili letiphuma embiteni kuligwalagwala FM. Lishwanile Sibu.
Lishwanile Rebecca siyavusela kumbukelo tizaba teswati ekhaya ku SABC1 nathi ke lungathi linzela kulihlelo liphuma embiteni njengoba ke namuhla sawubaka bandi ilanga lekucala lalo libekase indvune emaphoyisa kuleli mnumzane Bheki icele njengoba bekase avele kunaleli commissioner laseparliament liphenya kabani ngetinsolo ledina kumaphoyisa alo leli vele eNingizimu Afrika ngetulu kwaloko inhlangano yeANC kulesifundza seMpumalanga esike sithi inhlelweni tokwakha kabusha le inhlangano kwatise kumnyaka lotako kuyavota kuleli kulikhetho labohulumende basekhaya semsakatweni ngesimbi isithupha zobathe bensimbi esikhombisa kulihlelo lediphuma embiteni ake sibonge Thimba eGoli Nzamba Malehle mbukele ekhaya.
Sibonga kakhulu kuye Sibusiso nganzi tiyagoca talamuhla asiphinze sihlangane kusasa indzaweni lefanako ngesikhathi lesifanako letela maleti tithole ngelwimi lesixhosa ngensimbi yesikhombisa kuyo lenkundla ungakhohlwa sikhona simo selitulu nanto zakhe emathebula ngemva kwetitolo busuku lobuhle ngwane.